360-degree security isn't just a luxury anymore, it's your digital witness. Today, we're counting down the top 5 4-channel dash cams of 2026 that eliminate every blind spot and capture the road from every single angle. Let's start with BOTSLAB 4-channel dash cam. The dash cam offers excellent all-around protection with 560 degrees coverage, 3K front, and 1080 pixel rear, featuring superior 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, strong night vision, GPS, and smart parking modes. The key pros are its crystal clear 3K video, touch or voice control, supercapacitor for reliability, and extensive features like ADAS for safety alerts, though some users note potential USB port blockage by the rear camera cable. The BOTSLAB dashcam features a built-in high-precision GPS module, accurately recording your vehicle's location, speed, and travel route in real time. Using software, you can generate dynamic route animations on your PC, effortlessly replaying your driving path and sharing it with one click. At number 2, PRUVEEO 360-degree view 4-channel dashcam. The PRUVEEO 4-channel dashcam offers comprehensive coverage with easy setup and is often praised for its value and included high-speed memory card. Though like many budget 360 cams, video quality might be a trade-off, especially at night, but it's great for full perspective recording and reducing blind spots for everyday driving and parking assistance. This nifty gadget isn't just another dashcam, it's your all-seeing eye on the road, complete with front, rear, left, and right lenses that record in glorious 1080p. Whether you're dodging errant squirrels or marveling at your navigation skills, this dashcam's built-in GPS and Wi-Fi capabilities ensure you have every perspective covered. Plus, with its night vision prowess, not even the darkest nights can conceal a memorable driving moment. Coming up at number 3, the Vantrue N5S 4-channel dashcam. Experience complete 360-degree protection with our advanced 4-channel dashcam 360, eliminating blind spots on the road and inside your vehicle. Featuring a powerful dual-core processor, this revolutionary dashcam records in stunning 2.7K resolution, with flexible recording modes to adapt to any driving scenario. From daily commutes to long road trips, this all-in-one surveillance solution provides effortless driving safety and legal protection. Besides, all 4 of its cameras feature cutting-edge StarViz 2 tech, delivering 100% higher low-light performance and 40% greater license plate recognition capacity than other StarViz dash cameras. Number 4. Hupejos front and rear inside dashcam. Enhance your driving experience with the 4K Ultra HD dashcam front and rear, a car camera designed to provide unparalleled security and clarity on the road. The Hupejos Advanced. The 360-degree dashcam features dual 4K Ultra HD, recording for both the front and rear, ensuring crystal clear footage of your journeys. With built-in GPS, it accurately tracks your location and speed, providing essential data for any situation. Stay connected with 5 GHz Wi-Fi, allowing seamless video streaming and easy access to your recordings via the dedicated mobile app. The 360-degree 4-channel recording capability ensures comprehensive coverage of your surroundings, while night vision technology guarantees clear footage even in low-light environments. Number 5. Freexar 4 K360-degree dashcam. The Freexar D4 redefines dashcam safety with 4 adjustable lenses that deliver a true 360-degree view, providing complete coverage of the front, rear, left, right, and interior all at once. Most dash cameras only capture the road ahead and behind, but over 90% of disputes start in blind spots. We cover it all because peace of mind starts with seeing everything. The Freexar D4 car camera is the first 4-channel dash cam with a 4K front camera, delivering razor-sharp footage that clearly captures license plates, street signs, and every critical detail. With these dash cams, you can capture every angle of your drive. Check out the links below to find the perfect one for your needs. Drive safe,